fuckface.
Order a drink and more. As for a return to 100% normalcy, the governor says get vaccinated.
Normalcy? What the fuck? Normalcy. Is that a word? Do you want to wait until I pass, you nitwit? Try using the crosswalk and anything like that?
Our savings and our spending declined over the past 16 months. An identical proportion, 20%.
Is anybody stopping here?
Relationships with family and friends. Conversely, Americans whose finances have improved during the pandemic are 29% more likely to say that their relationships.
You're supposed to stop, thank you. So are you. Q jumper, Q jumper, Q jumper, Q jumper, Q jumper. Called it! What the hell are you doing? That was, like, totally unnecessary. Thank you. Scumbag. Nice. Cut him off. No left turn, fuckface. No left turn, fuckface. Nice puddle. Hey kids, red light. And try a little harder to push your way out there. That's all. Whoop, hey. Whoop, hey. Use the climbing lane, use the climbing lane. Jesus freaking Christ, use the climbing lane. Exit dive. Only one I think that was a cutoff, wasn't it? Hey! What the hell? Jesus. Is it? Yeah, it's an exit dive. Here, Nitwit. Yeah, that's a big exit dive. Do you want to pick a lane, please? Thank you. One side of the road. You get one side of the road, not both of them. Oh, you're a fucking dummy. Minivan.
Hello, baby.
pretend that they're a friend of the cop when they get pulled over. What do? You just made an illegal U-turn. Cameroid. Do you not fucking see that fucking sign that you... Jesus Christ. There we go. The bell's going. Yeehaw. Douche stains everywhere. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Thank you. Pressing no one but yourself.